Hi, this is Andrew from Andrew's Workshop, a DIY woodworking channel. I hope you find this video useful.
Here's a sneak peek of the final product.
Well, Grace is coming to help me in my workshop.
So every one of my complex projects starts with some brainstorming and a general design. I built these boxes for a good friend of mine who needed it to carry concrete cylinders because that's the job he was doing at the time. So I did everything per very specific measurements. I also made it future-proof, so to speak, in case my friend wouldn't be working at that same concrete place forever. Then he could take out some inserts from these boxes and then use it just for any tools. Sit back and enjoy the build. If you have any questions on how I did specific things, feel free to leave a comment below.